I'm Martin Albert, and I'm one of the owners with Eric Charbonneau of True Saffron Producers, Inc. Saffron is a plant with a mind of its own. It doesn't care if it rains when you show up to the field, it doesn't care if it snows, it doesn't care about anything to do with your schedule. When it's ready, it'll bloom. Saffron doesn't require a very rich soil. In fact, a very rich soil or moisture-retaining soil during a heavy rainfall summer would actually kill the bulbs. You need very well-drained, very poor soil, because if the flower is taxed or the bulb is taxed, it will send out more flowers and plumpier, fuller pistils. Well, not only at this point, our latest analysis indicates that we're 45.5 points above the highest rating in flavor and 116.4 points in the antioxidants, the health benefits, the color that it gives. So we're doing well. We are at Centre and Main Chocolate here in Warkworth, Ontario. Our collaboration on the Rhubarb Strawberry Saffron Bar won an International Chocolate Award, Canadian edition. Our saffrons had an impact on local cuisine, from the home cook to restaurateurs who purchase 8 grams at a time. When people discover the quality of our saffron, things are boom. Things just explode. In French, we say the expression saffraner. One of our missions is to saffronize everything. In English, you'd say saffron infused or saffron colored. But saffraner is what we do.